Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 35. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, allure. Allure means powerfully attract or charm. Its Hindi meaning is lubhana. Now look at its sentence. She wore no makeup, but some alluring perfume made her smell like heaven. Its synonym is entice. The next word that I have for you is benevolence. Benevolence means kindness. Its Hindi meaning is daya. Now look at its sentence. The chief features of Albert's character were benevolence and simplicity. Its synonym is humanity. Look at our next word, evade. Evade means escape or avoid something. Its Hindi meaning is bachna या फिर जी चुराना. Now look at its sentence. The released criminal always tries to evade the police. Its synonym is elude. Moving to the next word, esteem. Esteem means respect and admiration. Its Hindi meaning is adar or samman. Now look at its sentence. I esteem his work highly. Its synonym is reverence. The next word that I have for you is deride. Deride means make fun of. Its Hindi meaning is hansi udana. Now look at its sentence. You should not deride their efforts. Its synonym is mock. The next word that I have for you is guile. Guile means cunning intelligence. Its Hindi meaning is chal kapat. Now look at its sentence. He is full of guile. Its synonym is deceit. The next word that I have for you is monotonous. Monotonous means not changing and boring. Its Hindi meaning is neeras. Now look at its sentence. It is monotonous work like most factory jobs. Its synonym is tedious. Look at our next word, pompous. Pompous means haughty, or you can say arrogant. Its Hindi meaning is ghamandi. Now look at its sentence. He was very pompous at the meeting. Its synonym is supercilious. Look at our next word, paramount. It means having supreme power. Its Hindi meaning is sarvshresht. Now look at its sentence. In our work, quality is paramount. Its synonym is foremost. Last but not least is sycophant. Sycophant means yes man. Its Hindi meaning is chaplus. Now look at its sentence. The Prime Minister is surrounded by sycophants. Its synonym is flatterer. So friends, it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of elude? A. Deride. B. Evade. C. Guile, D. Allure. Give me answer of this question in comment box.